you're using iMessage and you don't want the other person you're texting to know when you've read their messages, then I'll show you a simple way to turn off the seen option or the read receipts option. So just follow the steps in this video. This will work on essentially any iPhone and any iOS version. So it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone 17, 16, or 15. First, you'll want to open your settings. The next step is to access the Messages settings. So let's scroll down and go over to the Apps section. This will open a list of applications that we have installed on our device, but our job is to find the Messages section. So either scroll down with your finger or use the search bar and type Messages. Here it is, so let's tap on it. This will give us a lot of settings that we can change related to our iMessage application. We can customize some things, but what we want to do is turn off or disable that scene indicator when you read someone's message. Here's the option that we need, and it is called Send Read Receipts. It's currently turned on for me, so let's turn it off or disable it. From now on, no one will be able to see if you've opened or read their messages in iMessage. The downside of this is that it works both ways. Once you turn it off, you also won't be able to see if someone has read your messages. So even if they open and read it, you won't get that seen confirmation. This can be a bit inconvenient because you won't always know if someone is ignoring your message or just hasn't opened it yet. So you're basically trading a bit of clarity for more privacy. But that's essentially it. Please tell me in the comments down below which tutorial you want me to do next, and I will see you in the next video.